Alright, so if your antenna on your Mustang is broken like mine is, as you can see, you want to get a replacement one, and I'll put a link in down below. This is the Amazon little short stubby antenna that I had bought. Short stubby one like that, considerably much smaller, but I want to replace it. And this is a very simple fix, really easy. All you do is you grab the antenna, not at the base right here, but you grab the rubber part right here and just twist it. And then you start twisting it. Keep twisting, then it comes off just like that. All it is one little threaded in area. Set the old one right there. Take the new one right here. Thread it in. Give it a good snug up, but not too tight because you don't want to strip it. And there it is. There's the replacement. I like the much better look of the smaller antenna over the larger antenna, and that this one was falling apart and eventually would fold and break. I thought, perfect time to change it out. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll put the link for this down in the description.